To make sure Toggl Track fits your workflow, there are multiple ways to look at your data with the help of reports. For example, if you only want to see all billable time entries on a project, you can use the project and billable hours filter combined. Or if you have set up your team in groups, you can easily see what each team is working on with the team filter. The list at the bottom can be grouped to suit your needs. This helps you to keep an eye on how much time you spend on each project or client. It can also be used to see what is keeping the members of your team busy. To get a different view on the same data, switch to the detailed report to see an overview list of the filtered time entries. When a client or project is selected, this view can be used to generate invoices easily. It shows a detailed list of the work that has been done, line by line. As an admin, you can also add time entries on behalf of your team members if you feel that information is missing, or if, for example, you wish to record a leave of absence. To adjust the data, you can turn on rounding in any way that suits you. This function will round each time entry separately before adding up the total. Reports that you consult regularly can be saved and will then be found under Saved Reports. It is also possible to automatically receive reports via email, either to yourself or to an entire group of people if groups have been set up.